it's me, Serena, and welcome back to my channel. I do fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos every single week here on Style with Serena, geared toward ladies in our 40s, 50s, and beyond. So if that sounds good to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and all that good stuff so you don't miss out on all the videos that I bring to you guys. So today I've got another daily look box. I've been doing daily look for a while now, and it's been a couple of months since I did a daily look box. I took a little bit of a break. So I'm back with another daily look. And if you're not familiar, daily look is a subscription style box that is personally curated for you by a team of stylists, and you fill out your likes, dislikes, all your stats, all that good stuff, create a profile, and they send you anywhere from 8 to 11 pieces and let you try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then send back what you're not keeping and keep what you want. And it is a $40 styling fee, which of course gets applied to anything that you may keep. And I do have a link below in the description box. If you would like to try Daily Look for yourself, use my link and you will get a $40 credit on your first box. So Daily Look, and I keep glancing over here because my clothing rack is over here. If you wonder why I look over there, just so I can comment on what I have. Daily Look is a little bit more professional, I would say. They do have a good mix of casual and professional styles, but they do tend to lean a little bit more professional, and they're a little bit more conservative than like a Trend from Evereve, which is, as the name implies, trendy. But I've got some beautiful things from Daily Look, just really beautiful items, classic pieces, and it's been a really great box for me. Sometimes I take a break from my boxes just because, you know, but I do enjoy Daily Look, and I'm going to jump into the very first outfit. This time they sent me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces, so that's about average. So the first outfit here I'm wearing features a pair of Pant knit pants. These are like leggings, but they're thicker than leggings. They're the Pant knit, if you know what I'm talking about. They are by the brand Corey, which I've received several items in my Daily Look boxes from this brand, and they are all very nice. And these pants are kind of pricey. They're $108, but they are very nice. They've got seams running down the front. They've got a couple of pockets here on the sides as well. So they are elevated from a legging, but still a legging feel and look. And then they sent this double-breasted jacket, which is kind of your traditional kind of a plaid blazer. It is kind of stretchy. It's not lined, and it is from, I'm going to take it off so I can tell you the brand because I don't remember the brand. But the blazer and this shell are both by the same brand. Number 11, Los Angeles. That's the brand. So this is in a size medium. These pants are also in a size medium, and they fit me really well. If anything, the legs are just a smidge long because I do have a little bit of bunching behind my knees. But I'm probably not going to keep these anyway because I already have some similar pants, and this would be kind of redundant. The jacket, well, it is lined. The sleeves are not lined, but the body part is lined with this pretty red, and it's got a little bit of padding in the shoulders. So I don't know how I feel about the double-breasted style. I've always heard that when you have a large bust, not to wear double-breasted. And this, it does button, but it's not an easy button. Of course, I've put on some weight here lately. I'm carrying about 5 extra pounds, and when you're 5'2", that's enough to feel a difference in your clothes. So if I was weighing my normal weight, this would probably lay and fit much better. But the sleeves are a tad bit long. You know, they really need to be hemmed. And I don't know, just for all these different reasons, I'm not convinced that this is a keeper. It's $78, which isn't a bad price for a blazer, but I just don't know that I would reach for it that much. Now, this little shell is by the same brand, the number 11 Los Angeles, and it is a nice kind of ivory color. It's a surplice front, you can see, and it's tucked under here. It's got that faux tuck look, and then it hangs down longer in the back. It's an okay top, but it's $78, and I just don't like it. $78 worth. And the other issue I'm having is it is getting a little bit tight here in the bust, and this right here is open, so I would really need to wear something underneath it, like a little cami or something, because this could pull apart and show my bra like I just did. So this size is, well, the size is correct. It's just because of my bust, it's just pulling and not fitting great. So I do like the top. The size just isn't working for me. But I got some really cute items to show you guys from this box. So let me get changed and show you something else. Okay, for this next outfit, kept on the pants. They only sent me the one pair of pants this time, so I'm going to be wearing these throughout, which makes it pretty easy. Is this short sleeve kind of a, it's either a high crew or slightly mock neck sweater. It's a very fine gauge sweater. It's super soft, and it just comes down hip level. It's fitted. This is by Dreamers by Debut, and the size is small/medium, which is interesting. But if that sounds familiar to you, it's because I have shown you some items in some of my Walmart hauls that have been by Dreamers by Debut. And so when I got this in my box, I was like, let me check out Walmart. Well, I could not find this on the Walmart website anywhere. There's a couple other items in this box that are also by Dreamers by Debut, and none of them are on the Walmart website. So I just thought that was interesting. I guess maybe Walmart gets some of their items. I don't know at what point in the process. I don't know. But anyway, here we go. And this little top is $68. And once again, it fits nicely. I thought this was a very, Audrey Hepburn looking outfit, just the all black with the little fitted sweater. I've got on my mules. This would look really great with some leopard print mules or some ballet flats. But I already have a shirt very similar to this that I got this fall from Loft. So I don't feel like I need another one this similar to it, although this one does have longer sleeves. They come right down above the elbow, and it is super soft, and it's $68 if I didn't mention that. And I'm going to try it on with this little blazer. This is by Tarte, and it is in a size small. And this is called the Olga Blazer, and it's just a knit material, just like a thick knit t-shirt kind of fabric. And so it's super soft. It's got some little shoulder pads here, and no closure, no snaps, no hooks, no buttons, nothing. It just kind of falls like that. And it's made with these gathered ruched sleeves, to where it kind of pushed up like that. So that's pretty cute. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. It's so soft. This is something that you could wear with jeans, with slacks, with just about anything. I don't know. It's expensive though. This little deal is $158, which is expensive. But I do have some credits on my account thanks to you guys who have tried out Daily Look, so I appreciate that very much, and that would definitely help go toward this jacket. So you let me know what you think about it. I was prepared to not be at all impressed, but after I put it on, I kind of think I like it. But let me know what you think, and I will move on to the next look. Okay, next look. This is the second top by Dreamers by Debut. This is also in a size small / medium. And it is this color they're calling oatmeal. It's just a pale neutral, and I am loving this. It is a nice V-neck, long tunic, perfect for leggings. And this is so soft, y'all. I can't tell you how soft this is. Let me see if I can find the fabric content on it and share it with you, because it is so soft. Hand wash, cold, blah blah blah, line dry. That's not the fabric content. Well, I don't know, but it's a super soft, fine gauge, thin knit, sweatery material. And I just love the way it skims the body, and it's nice and long. It's a little bit longer in the back than in the front. It's not too low of a V for me. And so it's perfect with leggings like this, and I just slipped it on with these animal print mules that I've got earlier in the fall from Walmart. I think this is a great look, just a great easy outfit for, you know, around your house for the holidays when you still want to be comfy but look nice if you have company or anything like that. This will be a great outfit for that. And let me know what you think. It does have this seam that runs down the front, which I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but it is kind of a lengthening effect, having that long seam. And I think this would look great as well with some skinny jeans or jeggings, or the black leggings, or just any kind of slim pant and boot or mules. So I'm liking this, and this is $78. Yes, it's a little bit pricey, so I'll have to watch the footage back and see how much I really like it and if I still think it's worth it. And again, I checked the Walmart website and I couldn't find anything remotely similar to this on their website. So let's see what else we got. All right, this next look is something a little bit different. It first of all features this plaid flannel. This is also, no, this is by Be Cool, not Dreamers by Debut. This is by Be Cool, and it's got some really pretty colors in it. It's got some kind of a salmony pink and then the grayish green color, really pretty. And then underneath is this little it's a cropped knit. They're calling it the knit ribbed tank. This is by Debut as well, and it's kind of got little spaghetti straps, and it's just a little layering piece because it comes right to my waist. It's definitely meant to be on the cropped side, so it comes right to the top of these pants on me. But I kind of like this flannel. I have not I have not found a flannel that I love and that has worked for me this fall. They're either too short, too long, too bulky, too this, too that, look like a lumberjack, yada, yada, yada. So I have not bought one. But this one, it's very soft. It's a nice weight. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just that brushy, soft flannel cotton fabric. And this is $68, which is a little pricey. Yeah, but I really like the way it fits. And this little top is $58, and I do think that's kind of overpriced. I could just wear a tank or something that I already have under this. I think a cream colored tank and jeans would look good under this top, or even I have a tank that's kind of this salmony pink color that would look good underneath it as well. But as far as with the black, it does work, and I put on my new favorite boots by Blondo. These are from Nordstrom, my most recent trunk club that came, and I absolutely love these, and they're waterproof, which is perfect for winter, and they're super duper comfy, and I'm loving these boots. And I think this makes a nice, a little bit edgier looking outfit with the flannel, the all black, and then kind of the combat boots with the big buckle on them with the lug sole. I think this is a nice look. Okay, one more look to show you guys. Okay, this same outfit is the same idea as the last one, just a different shirt. This shirt is denim. It's actually made of 100% lyocell. And I don't know if lyocell is tensil's cousin or the new word for tinsel or what, but it is super soft and drapey. It's not stiff at all, which I love out of a collared shirt. It's just very drapey and flowy, and just feels so nice on. And it does have cuffs and buttons all the way down here, but then if you want to roll up the sleeves, it does have the tabs, but you don't have to use them. So, because it does have functioning cuffs at the bottom. I just rolled it up because I like that look better anyway. And I wore it just open and out over this little tank and the black pants. It curves up here on the sides. The nice thing about this shirt, and I don't have a denim shirt right now that fits me. I had some that didn't fit right, and I just got rid of them because they were just hanging in my closet mocking me because I never could wear them. So the nice thing about this one, and this is by a brand called Sneak Peek, but the nice thing about this one is I can button it, and it's not gapping at the bust, and it still fits. And in the back, it's not really, I don't think it's doing that weird thing where it gets caught on my hips like a lot of longer shirts do. So as far as the longer shirts in this box, they have hit the mark for sure between this one and the flannel. So this is something to consider. This one is $78, which yes, that's kind of pricey, but at least it does fit me. So that's it. This concludes my daily look box unboxing and try on for December. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you liked, what you thought I should pass on, and if you have any questions about any of the items or anything like that. Remember, I do have my link that I'll include in the description box, so if you would like to try Daily Look for yourself, you'll get a $40 credit on your first box, so you don't want to miss out on that. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye bye.